Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Florida Day 21. This, if we actually end up putting this on as a vlog, means that we've managed to do a travel day, which our record for that is not always the best. But yes, it's travel day. We're going home. Sad times. We are packed, but our flight is. They've changed the flight times, haven't they? Like, what was our original one, the normal one?
I think it was like 8 something. It wasn't as late as it is.
So we're flying at like 10 o'clock tonight, Florida time. So we've got the whole day. But we obviously don't have Disney passes because they ran out about 4 days ago now. We do have Universal passes, but the park at Universal is $30. So it's probably not really worth us heading over there, because it's now 5 to 10, so by the time we got there and everything, you wouldn't get that long, and we need to get the car back to the airport by 5. 6 said that yesterday too. Should really listen. We've got that as a bit of a deadline too, so we're not 100% sure. We're having a bit of a leisurely morning. We just showered, finishing gathering up, and then I don't really know what we're going to do. Like, the plan was originally like maybe the outlets or Florida Mall or Disney Springs, but I'm overweight and Alistair has no room, so no more shopping is required. It's so bad this year. So yeah, we're not 100% sure, so we'll maybe just. The Polynesian's next to the transportation ticket centre, so we could park there and just wander and sit there, or we might stay here and just sit. It's wide open to see what we'll do. But so yeah, if this makes the cut, we'll film we've filmed stuff, so we have actually done something or come up with something, I don't know. It's actually a really nice day by the looks of it today, and I don't think it's massively cold at the moment, which is slightly annoying because I could do with wearing more layers than I currently am. I'm in a t-shirt, because I've got layers for the plane, and I'm like, I have a big suitcase, then a little suitcase, and I also have, next to my suitcase is a carrier bag with clothes that I'm going to wear. So I have a long jumper, I have a big long gilet, body warmer, so I've got that as well. But we've got the car to dump everything in, so it's not too bad. So yeah, we're just going to soak up the magic whilst we can and enjoy the last day in Florida. So I think we said when we arrived that there was like cheerleading competitions on. So when we first arrived we had cheerleaders, and now I think this is like a cheerleading dance competition, so they're just rehearsing down there. So we've had this for the first weekend we were here, and now the last weekend when we're here. And it's really quite cute. They rehearse it in like the car parks, which are back there. And then they've often been rehearsing in front of that one, but today they're rehearsing down there. And it's, if you like dance and that kind of thing, it's quite cool, and they've got a lot of energy, so it's nice to watch. And I think some people would be nervous maybe about staying here when these sort of things are on. I think it's really loud, but it's not. We've not really heard anything. And the signs up around the resort saying quiet hours between 7 in the morning and I think 11 in the evening. And it seems like they've been obeying them. So yeah, we've not had any problems, and I think it's magical. Milestars.
Unsecured debt. There are programs available that can consolidate those debts into one.
So we did come to the Polynesian.
We did.
So we have,
Coffee.
well, I can see sort of Space Mountain, but that's contemporary. The castle is somewhere in the background. We can see it. And yes, we're going to have coffee. We've missed breakfast, we're too late, but we have got all the suitcases in the car, parked at the transportation ticket centre, had a nice stroll in the lovely weather through the Polynesian. Alistair really enjoyed that. He says it's melting, and I made him walk the long way. But look, like the bungalows, the beach. Why wouldn't you do it on your last day? And then you've got the Grand Floridian there.
Construction.
And then mass construction, yeah.
What the horrible thing is on.
It is ugly, isn't it?
When they started painting it.
Yeah, I really hope they make it sort of fit in. I'm sure they will, but I think they're really going to struggle, though. I think it's going to be overpopulate this resort in the same way that the Grandestino Tower at Coronado has.
Yeah.
Unless they've got...
This is already packed in the summer.
Yeah. Anyway, we're just enjoying all of the magic.
563.
So the day has continued on. We have enjoyed some time at the Polynesian. The construction again. And the really expensive villas now. I have used my refillable mug. We made tea. Alistair got his coffee with oat milk. And now we are currently waiting on a boat to take us to the Magic Kingdom. And then we're going to walk from the Magic Kingdom to the Contemporary and spend a bit of time there. Alistair doesn't really like to eat on travel days, so he's not going to have anything exciting, but I'm going to have some sort of dinner.
I predict chicken.
I could have a burger.
You could, but you won't. You're going to have chicken. As always.
I feel like now
Predictable.
I'm going to have a burger just to be like, screw
She will be
you.
predictable and she'll have chicken
I don't have
nuggets.
chicken all the time. I've only had chicken nuggets twice, I think.
You've had other chicken related.
Yeah, I
things.
had grilled chicken. I had grilled chicken yesterday. We will say though, so we ate at the Jurassic Park, like, quick service, didn't we, yesterday? It was pretty naff and expensive.
And shit.
Yeah, I mean, I liked the salad thing, the fact that I got to put my own tomatoes and lettuce. That was nice.
Even if it was potentially contaminated by everyone.
I knew that that's why you hadn't taken
I
any.
don't want any salad. I do not want anything that's from the self-service buffet at the theme park.
I dug deep. Yeah, so I had chicken yesterday, so I might have a beef burger today. We'll see. I don't think we've done the quick service at Contemporary before.
I have. When you were vomiting somewhere or something. When you decided to get an ear infection and
Yeah.
was vomiting everywhere, I went to
So I have been sick once in the time that
twice. You got COVID.
Oh yeah, we did. So I've been sick twice then in all the trips that we've taken. Alistair has been sick consistently. Oh, look at that little bird. At least once every trip. So I'm not that sick. Oh, my hair's funny. Anyway, the boat's coming and we're heading to the Contemporary. So we're continuing our trip today of just exploring, and look, I have this. This is a s'mores monorail brownie. How adorable is it? I'm very excited. Alistair got the mini cinnamon swirl. Tasty?
Yep.
We have Chef Mickey's behind us. Blue skies. I have tea in my refillable mug again. Making the most of it and just pure magic. I'm so excited for this. So excited. Recording now. So we have a beautiful view at the moment. We're at the Contemporary Resort. So we have Space Mountain Tron, the Magic Kingdom. We've just had a monorail come through. We decided not to eat fully because basically I came up and there was this monorail chocolate s'more. It was very nice. So I had that, and you had a mini cinnamon roll. So we snacked and we'll eat later. And we're just chilling out. We've looked in the shops and then now we've come out. This is the firework viewing area at the Contemporary. So inside is the lobby, not the lobby because the lobby's at the bottom. Like the shop, Chef Mickey's, the Contemporary quick service restaurant, and then just out here is a massive area that you can come and they have seats and you would have an awesome view of Happily Ever After. So if you haven't got park tickets like what we haven't at the moment, you would be able to watch fireworks without having to actually be in the park, and they pipe the music in too, so you can enjoy all the magic and get a really good view, because sometimes because the fireworks are obviously far in the distance, you really get a good view. But yeah, we're just currently enjoying the sun, taking photos, and just enjoying the magic and soaking up as much pixie dust as is humanly possible. So we've just done a very fleeting visit to Disney Springs. Ooh, you can see the ball. There you go. I wanted a live sandwich, and Alistair was the wonderful human being that he is and drove me here to get it. So we've just literally come, dealt with the masses because it's heaving here, and had a live sandwich for dinner. And now we're just going to quickly sort out the bags in the car and then head to the airport. So it's officially the end of Disney, but there's the view to say goodbye. Magical! We've had the best time, and it's been a really nice day actually. Very chilled out. Yeah, and now it's time to head to the airport.
The gate link will be departing momentarily for gate 70 through 99.
Orlando and Central Florida have so much to offer. There's a good chance we didn't see you do it all. So please come back and visit us again very soon. It's Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. Hope you enjoyed the Orlando experience.
Stand clear of the doors and hold on to the handrails. When the gate link stops, please exit for gate 70 through 99.
We made it to the airport. Alison's got me. And I have a strawberry refresher because I'm hot now. Excuse the appearance, I'm now in half cabaret outfit. We got through security with a breeze, didn't we? Like there was no queue. Alistair got searched, his fudge set the thing off. And it was like right in the middle. He packed the hand. Like last night he struggled so much to get everything in their new suitcase, which is down there. And then we were saying like, you can just guarantee one of us will get stopped at security, and yes, Alistair did. But my case going through like the whole luggage, I did so well. My camera reel is full, which is why it cut off, but what I was saying was I did so well with my luggage because I got it at 22.9 and the allowance was 23. Was a bit ropey because Alistair's weighed in at 22 and I think on my scales it weighed in at less, so I was like, oh no, mine was like 23 on my scales, which means it's probably 24, but it wasn't, and I didn't even get the hems. Success. And we are still pulling time at the airport, but we'll be flying soon and then we'll be home and then we'll be wishing we were at the airport. You nodded.